But,
Yeah, it's your turn.
Talon, happy birthday. We have a special song for you. And it goes a little something like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Talon. Happy birthday to you.
Talon, I'm so proud of you for being 19 years old. It's a big accomplishment. Woo, 19.
Happy birthday, Talon. I miss you a lot.
Happy birthday, Talon! And I have a special message from Chris. Because he couldn't be here, but he's here already and he misses you. So he says, happy birthday, Talon. And Talon, we miss you so much.
Is it my turn? Can I talk?
Hey, Talon! I miss you!
Wait.
Happy birthday! you're older than me right now. Happy birthday, and I can't wait to see you when you come visit.
I hope that you come like maybe sooner so we get to see you.
And we can go to Cat in the Box to get chicken sandwich.
Yeah!
Happy birthday!